Yang.
Hmong New Year. My name is Yang, and I have traveled from Wausau, Wisconsin to attend another glorious year for the Hmong people. The platform for this year asks, who or what is Hmong? To me, the word Hmong means free, and that we are. We cherish our culture, our family, and respect our elders who has made freedom possible for all of us. The Hmong people came from Southeast Asia in the rich and mountainous regions. According to Hmong elders, they preferred these lands over largely populated cities because they believed that it would preserve all culture and keep the Hmong people strong. The Hmong culture is unique because of our unbelievably beautiful Hmong clothing. With bright, vibrant, and beautiful patterns, these clothing has been brought down from generations to generations. Until today, we still wear these clothing for the Hmong New Year, Hmong wedding, and other events. The Hmong New Year is an annual celebration celebrated by the Hmong people and their community throughout the whole entire world. The Hmong New Year is celebrated at the end of the great harvest season between the 3 last months of the year to honor our ancestors and to welcome the new year. And moral and important responsibility for the Hmong people is to respect their elders. One of the most highly respected leaders in the Hmong community is General Vang. We are here today in America because of him. He was the person who pushed the Hmong people to educate their family and to keep the Hmong culture embedded in our blood. Thank you, General Vang. Who or what are the Hmong? The Hmong are a group of beautiful people with a sense of community. They love their culture and their family. They respect their parents and their elders, such as General Vang, being one of the most highly respected leaders in the Hmong community. And every year, the Hmong people celebrate the Hmong New Year to honor our ancestors and to hope for a prosperous new year. I am proud to be Hmong because of the peace that we value and the beauty that has been brought into my life. Thank you.
Is our contestant number 6. She is from Wausau, Wisconsin. Her future goals are to become an advisor and a financial advisor. During her free time, she likes to spend time helping around the house, sing, teach dance, and volunteer within the community. Her sponsor is Wausau Oriental Food Store.
Please welcome our contestant number 5, Paxia Vang.
How can anyone be a part of a culture without knowing the origins of who, where, and what you come from? Knowing your history identifies who you are and where you stand within society. My name is Paxia Vang, and I am proud to be Hmong. Several people don't know who and what Hmong is. However, I can assure you that Hmong is the name and culture of an Asian minority group who originated from the mountainous regions of China. The word Hmong itself means freedom. Our ancestors gave us that name and uses it to describe us because we've always lived in a harmonious life. During the 18th century, due to the political unrest, our forefathers migrated down southward from China to find more fruitful land. They settled in regions of Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand. There they lived for centuries in peace, harmony, and serenity. It wasn't until the Vietnam War when our families sided with America to stop communism from spreading throughout Southeast Asia. Recruited as spies, our people stood alongside the American soldiers and fought with them. After the war, Vietnam and Laos declared genocide on our people, which left us fleeing into Thailand for refuge. After seeing the annihilation of our people, America opened their doors and offered us an escape from the genocide that occurred. Till this day, we have a vivid memory of our past because our history is deeply rooted within our morals and values. Though there were many obstacles that stood within our path, we as the Hmong people are still able to hold on strongly to our language, our culture, and our traditions. Till this day, we are still able to read, write, and speak in Hmong. Knowing our culture and keeping it alive and thriving, knowing who we are and where we stand within society, we are able to pass on our knowledge to the generations to come. Thank you so much and have a blessed Hmong New Year.
Paxia Vang is our contestant number 5. She is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Paxia's future goals are to compete in Miss Hmong, Wisconsin and become an inspiration for the younger generation, to have her own fashion label and embark on a journey to becoming a world-renowned fashion designer. During her free time, she likes to spend time with her family and friends, play volleyball, do runway shows, and be head of the activities leader in children's ministry at her church. The sponsor is Highlander Home Healthcare in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
contestant number 4, Mai Xis Thao.
Hmong. Life's path is not about the destination, but about the journey. And the journey is what makes us Hmong. The earliest documented definition was founded in ancient China. They labeled us Vang. I said labeled and not named because it was meant to be derogative and offensive. Mao means the weed that never dies. No matter how much we were cut, tortured, or abused, we grew back more populated and stronger. So who is Hmong? Through hatred and despair, we found prosperity. Forced to integrate and adapt, we uplift and survive. Deeply rooted in our environments, we continue to push for justice, joy, freedom, identity, and a better future in the United States. To be Hmong is what it truly means to be free. Hmong is our parents waking up every morning to go to work to see a brighter future for their children. Hmong is forgiving our enemies but never forgetting our past. Hmong is family, joy, and pride, and continue in education for success to see the sparkle in our parents' eyes. I am Hmong because I'm thankful for my ancestors who has left me a stepping stone so I can have a life filled with better opportunities here in the U.S. I am continuing in higher education to enhance my proficiency as a good role model so I can teach children and future Hmong children about the Hmong people. And that's so the Hmong will live forever. Thank you.
Mai Xis Thao is our contestant number 4. She is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Her future goals is to become an accountant. During her free time, she likes to spend time with her family, helping out around the house, and spend time with her friends, dance, and learn about the Hmong culture. Her sponsor is Zhongmei Insurance Agency in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.